Happy Black Friday, everyone. I'm meteorologist Mike Ottenweller at the National Weather Service with Alaska's statewide weather. Taking a look at the weather map this afternoon, a 977 millibar low pressure system over the eastern Aleutians and Alaska Peninsula is dominating the entire weather pattern. On the western side of that storm, we have cold air filtering down over the Bering, bringing snow showers, occasionally mixing with some rain at times from the Pribilofs southward towards Dutch Harbor. But on the eastern side of the system, warm air and plenty of moisture continues to move up from the North Pacific and into the Gulf of Alaska. This is bringing rainfall, some of it heavy at times near Prince William Sound, all the way from southwest Alaska to Chilkoot and White Pass, and that will continue to make its way into southeast Alaska tonight. Meanwhile, up towards the Brooks Range and the Seward Peninsula, we see some of that rain starting to become snow, and we do have some snow and higher winds up along the Alaska Range. And we have some high wind advisories and high wind warnings for tonight for those areas. Into tonight's forecast now, the story remains much the same, with colder air continuing to be bottled up over the northern portion of the state, with snow remaining up there, but down towards the southern portion of the state we see a rain-snow mix over southwest Alaska and mainly rain along the Gulf Coast and southeast Alaska, with some of that rain continuing to be moderate tonight as a strong occluded front pushes onshore there. Another area of low pressure is starting to develop over the western Aleutians at 971 millibars, and that will track eastward on Saturday and will increase or decrease a little bit in strength to 976 millibars. It will bring mostly rain and another slug of warm air into the western and central Aleutians, but on the backside we do expect some gusty winds and some snow showers to start to mix in. As we get towards the central Bering, things start to quiet down a little bit on the backside of that system with a rain-snow mix, mainly for showers on the northern side of the Alaska Peninsula. And then as we get towards the Gulf of Alaska, a 992 millibar low pressure system now is just over Kodiak Island and will continue to bring rain. Some of that rain will be moderate for southeast Alaska, but rain mainly confined to the Gulf Coast. Over interior Alaska, things will remain relatively quiet with just some snow showers near the Seward Peninsula and along the Brooks, north of the Brooks Range along the Arctic coast. That story will remain much the same for Sunday, as we see just light snow along the Arctic coast and a few isolated snow showers along the Seward Peninsula and western coast. As we get towards southwest Alaska, some of that snow starts to mix with rain, and again rain showers continuing to remain over the Gulf of Alaska. The rain should start to lighten up quite a bit on Sunday, though, as much of the energy starts to fall apart. And as always, stay up to date with your latest information at weather.gov. With Alaska statewide weather, I'm meteorologist Mike Ottenweller.